It was premeditated. Yep, I decided that if I wasn't able to travel outside of Japan, which I had planned, but you know what's happening, so might as well travel around Japan. So I went to the Kansai area, and this is my story. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Matcha with red bean paste. I'm not really like red bean paste, but this tastes good. It's a specialty, a part of the experience. It was definitely an adventure. I met some beautiful ladies along the way. They knew me from my YouTube channel. I didn't know them, but we got to know each other better. Continue watching.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Welcome to Osaka. Say hello, Leslie.
Again, the same emotion.
Yeah, we have to say it again.
Oh, hello.
If you don't see me again, you know what time it is. The mama love you. My level of anxiety is sky high. Bye bye.
But this was amazing though. But what do you think that it was worth the two and a half hours wait?
Yeah, it was worth it.
Do you think it was worth the 2.5 hour wait? Half the wait? Yeah. I think the Harry Potter one, that one worked. Yeah, that one was amazing.
Yeah, this one is amazing. But the Harry Potter one.
The Harry Potter one, like, I think most people are probably leaving now. So let's go to the. Yeah, the lines are probably a bit shorter. There's the exit, like seriously. Not it. Not it? Yes, because of the last ride. No. You got that right? We didn't do it. Those are the waiting times. Even for a restroom, we had to wait in long lines. The crowd was crazy. Mama, we made it after 2.5 hours. We made it. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready? Yes. Do you want to tell anybody anything? Oh my God, the gates of heaven. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Young man. Oh my God.
Watch it, dolly, them outside. I'm not talking about battery, dolly. No plastic, dolly. Let's have a real life size, dolly. Know what Chanel do? Each time on the ride going down, and I held her hand. Chanel was like, leave my hand away. Yes, wicked.
Yeah, when it went down, I had to close my eyes.
Your eyes were open?
Yes.
I couldn't open my eyes. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Listen, this is your soul. You can feel your soul
Leaving your body, I feel it.
I just wanna say, hey world, hey world, hey world. You make me feel alive, alive. Hey my beautiful world, as the time goes by, you give me reason to live, you give me wings to fly. Hey world.
Waiting for him to get here to tell me if it's delicious or not. See. It's time to taste. It's hot. Be careful. Okay, sure. Ready? Okay.
Thank you very much.
Is it okay?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good. Okay.
And
All right. Let's eat.
I try. Oh, very. Oh, very good.
Okay.
Very yummy.
It's yummy. Oh, spicy.
No, nasty thing.
Soy sauce.
Yeah.
Lots of soy sauce.
Salty.
Salty. To try. Okay. Well, the guy never did, so I'm gonna try it.
Is it good?
The meat is good, but too much sauce.
Yeah.
That's why you were
It's
telling me.
salty.
This is the right place for you. This is the right place for me. This is the right place for dreams. This is the right place to be alive, to be free, to live a dream, to feel that you're real. This is the right place for you. This is the right place for me. This is the right place for dreams. This is the right place to be alive, to be free, to live a dream, to feel that you're real. Place for dreams. Place for dreams.
When I was young, I felt a mystery unraveling right before my eyes of grace. Oh, so sweet, oh, so sweet. I knew you well and you knew me too, didn't you? I felt your arms, your love carrying me, carrying me.
Yes, see me? See? Wait, them soon come, man. Oh, it's cute. Baka, you idiot. Moto, baka. You still want to go take that picture there? Can I go inside, yes? Good thing we can walk, go we yard.